Planning a move out of the mile-high city? Welcome to 3 Movers, the top-rated moving company for all your long-distance needs. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about moving from Denver to other states and why we're the best choice for your move. When you search for long-distance movers near me, you'll see a ton of options. So why choose 3 Movers for your move out of Denver? It's simple. We're not just another moving company. We're a trusted name in Denver for interstate and cross-country moves. Our reputation is built on reliability, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. When you work with us, you're not just another customer, you're family. At 3 Movers, we offer a full range of services to make your move smooth and stress-free. From residential to business moves, we've got you covered. Let's take a look at some of the services we offer that make us stand out. Moving your home across state lines? No problem. We handle everything from packing to unpacking. Our movers treat your belongings as if they were their own, ensuring a safe and efficient move. We're more than just a moving company. At 3 Movers, we offer additional services to make your move as easy as possible, including packing supplies. Need boxes, tape, bubble wrap, or padding? We've got you covered. Custom plans. We tailor our services to fit your unique moving needs. 24/7 support, questions at any time. Our team is always here to help. Thank you for watching. Ready to take the next step? Call us or visit our website for your free quote and make your long distance move the best one yet. 3 Movers, your trusted partner in making your transition seamless and stress-free. See you on the road.